Hi guys, welcome back to the channel as Manzil. I'm Sahil. This video and the following few videos are part of a series, you can say result series, because I'm shooting these videos after a long time due to some busy schedule, but finally I'm coming up. This particular video is not only a result one or a promotional one, but also it's the closest one to my heart. It's an inspirational story. It's about a lady named Meenal from Brisbane. When she contacted me to prepare for her test, she was bedridden because she had met with a really bad accident and she injured herself badly. She injured her legs. If I'm not wrong, she had to go through a surgery. She wasn't able to walk at that time when she prepared for the test. Also, when she went to appear for this exam, when she went to the test center, she was on a wheelchair. It was inspirational. It was motivational for sure. When she called me and told me that she had got her result and she had cleared her test, of course I was happy. More than that, I was inspired. I was emotional. I didn't tell her anything, but seeing her journey, being bedridden, on a wheelchair, you're taking the test and you're clearing it in the first go, she has inspired me a lot. Now why I'm telling you this story? See, everybody knows you guys are not living a really simple life in Australia. You're struggling, you're working hard, day and night, you're working around the clock. So many people tell me, Sahil, we are really busy, we can't get enough time to prepare for ourselves. I agree, you all are really busy, everybody's busy, I'm busy. Even I make excuses. I say, okay, no, I'm really busy with this thing, I can't learn something new. But when we compare ourselves with Meenal or any other person like Meenal, any inspirational person like them, despite being in such a condition, she could have already made an excuse, but she chose to prepare for the test and clear it. Ultimately, what I'm trying to say, guys, just keep going for it. In your one go, second go, or in the third attempt, you will get it. Don't worry about the number of attempts. Don't worry about the struggle you're doing right now for this test. An extra hour or 2 hours you're spending to prepare for your test. It's okay. Just think of or imagine or dream about the job you will get after clearing this test. Right? You will be a full-time teacher in Australia. Right? That's what I want to say. Yep. So thank you, Meenal, for this beautiful result, for inspiring me, and hopefully hundreds and thousands of others as well.